talk about solar string lights, outdoor string lights, of course. You may or may not have tried them lately. They've gotten kind of a bad reputation in years past because solar sometimes isn't as strong as using electrical lights, of course, but sometimes there's just situations where you're going to need to have an alternative to a typical plug-in string light, and that's the situation we have here. On this job site, the homeowner did not have an outlet that was close and convenient to use, so we decided to use solar lights instead. They were super easy to install and string together just like you would any other light. The only difference is you can see behind my left shoulder to your right where we put the solar panel. We put it up high, we aimed it toward the sun, and it catches sun every single day. Now this is an overcast day, so they don't work as well on days like this. So they're a little more intermittent than a power source light would be. But if you just don't have any other options, this will work out great for you. These have been up for about 3 months now, and they're still going strong. They provide a good amount of light. So if you're in this situation, consider this a good alternative. I'm going to put a link to these specific lights in the comment section below so you guys can try them out for yourselves.